forgot your Samsung A04e password or stuck in a boot loop? This guide will help you fix it. First, turn off the phone completely. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate. Select Wipe Data, Factory Reset. By selecting Yes, the factory reset operation will begin, and otherwise, you will return to the previous menu. When the process is complete, select Reboot System now.